If did you ever have a problem, like for example, that your water heater is consuming too much electricity, is not heating enough the water, and or it's taking way too long to heat the water? It's basically that your heater it will be full of limescale or calcium. So, for example, in my case, you can hear as I move the heater. Now I just empty it of water. You can hear the sound of the lime scale. So this is basically the reason why it builds up. If, for example, you don't change your filter for the lime scale, and that can cause it. Or if you don't have one at all, that can cause it as well. So basically the concept is this. Imagine your water heater like a boiling pot of water on fire. Now if you have a water heater that is clean, basically is your pot of water is sitting directly on the fire. But if your heater is full of limescale, it's basically as you put a stone under the pot of fire. So, for example, instead of taking 5 minutes, it will take like 50 minutes to heat the same pot of water. So, what we're gonna do, I'll basically show you quickly how to fix this problem. First of all, you need to disconnect the water from the system. You need to disconnect the water, then disconnect the electricity from the water heater. And after that, you need to disconnect the water connection and make sure you put some basket underneath. So you will empty first all the water that is inside your water heater. Now as you do that, and I have already done this, come in here. Basically what you need to do here is once you disconnect your water heater from the electricity, you disconnect the cable. You see here, that's the electricity cable. You disconnect it from here, and after that you need to unscrew, in most cases, bolts or something that's holding your heating system here inside. I'll now try to remove this. Try to just give it to a few hits like that, up and down, up and down. Make sure. Now if your heater system here breaks, in any case, some cases you will not be able to remove it easily. Don't worry. In some cases, if it's already broken, you can just break the whole thing, and then you just buy a replacement part like this one. I have already replaced this in the past. You just buy a replacement. Here, now here inside, what you see here, the long stick is the thermostat here, and what's here and around is the heater itself. And there is a lot of limescale. Now what we're gonna do in this case, we need to clean the water heater from inside as well, and it's very easy. Bring your water heater to your garden or outdoors. Take a hose with a gun, and just spray it with high pressure all the way inside. And you can use some kind of brush if you have, with a stick, and you just keep cleaning, and make sure you really clean it very well. So as you see here, you can already see the shape. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put this in a basket full of vinegar. So I'd like to show you. I kept this for a few hours inside some vinegar. Now what you are looking for is to have bare metal, and after that you can just simply fit in everything back together, put it in the water heater, and it should just work fine.